Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make these Oreo truffles. I made them as part of a dessert table and they were a great hit. Everyone really liked them. So I'm going to start off with family size mega stuffed Oreos. I'm just separating the two parts. I'm just going to grind the Oreo cookies and I'm adding a little bit of vanilla frosting and I'm just going to mix it. Sometimes people add in like milk or like cream cheese, but I don't want to have to refrigerate this. So I'm just rolling out the cream part of my Oreos into little balls and then I'm just going to cover them with my Oreo dough cookie crumbles, and then once they're all nicely rolled, you're just gonna melt some chocolate, and once it's melted, we're just gonna dip our Oreo balls inside the chocolate. You can use white chocolate also, but I decided to use milk chocolate, and then I just drizzled them with some white chocolate right over and then let that sit. And there you have it. Once they're ready, they are room temperature safe. They don't need to be refrigerated, and they're so good. They're really delicious. So I hope you guys try it, and let me know how they taste. And as always, the ingredients and instructions are in the description box below. Thank you.